applications fail in development, there is no shortcut to it to get explanations. So you have a flood of logs, traces, dashboards, metrics, and you have to go through all of them to verify what's wrong. You have to investigate every contradiction and every hallucination manually. For that, we built Convointel. It is not just a dashboard that observes, it is an AI staff engineer that continuously reviews your applications, explaining why interactions succeed or fail, detecting regressions across deployments, and telling you what to improve next. So here we have a user that questions for the return policy for international orders. An AI application does the query and returns a response. The response is 30 days of receipt. This is where Convointel comes in. So Convointel subjects the application's response to different judges. First, the answer judge, did it give a response? Yes. Then the contradiction judge, was the response correct? So this is where it failed because it gave 30 days while the correct response was 14 days. And then the last judge it subjects is the safety judge, which judges is there any threat, which is no, and it passed. This one good thing about Convointel is that it gives the developer the next suggestion of an engineering fix to make. It places the most relevant retrieve sources first. So now let's apply the recommendation by enforcing strict context compliance. The telemetry captures the new session. The worker reviews it automatically and the assistant's response is now correctly grounded in the 14-day policy. So here we compare the two deployments. So you can see the current version and the previous version. The current version returns the right response, which is 30 days, as compared to the previous version, which gave a response of 14. So I made use of GPT 5.6 and Codex. He served as my senior engineer and reviewed my architecture, starting from my architecture to all my codes, finding necessary improvements and making them. The idea behind Convointel is not just to get automated engineering reviews, but also to give developers actionable next steps to take, making life easier for them and production much faster. Thanks for watching.